Welcome back to e-learning skills, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add your voice over your videos. So I'm going to use my movie app. This app is free to use and there's no any limitation. Then next click on edit, then choose the video that you're going to add your voice over. I will choose this video of animal. Click on next. After that, as you can see, this video I downloaded it from Pixel. It is free of charge, no copyright, and you can use. So this tutorial is very important if you want to explain something about the video that you have created. So I will click on music, then voice over. So here is where by now you can add your voice over. So if I click this to record like this, don't forget to share and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.